The following presentation will be another EAS Scenario days. Jump scare warning. Turn down the volume as the video may be scary as of my Talking Tom Friends EAS Scenario. Then 4 more warnings. Do not be angry. It's just a EAS scenario. It actually came from SPC Harmtrich 1258. We're gonna add it to its channel. Then this video may be disturbing due to ongoing jump scare warning. If you see any icon, turn down the volume as the next scene will be very loud. Viewer discretion is advised. And then one more warning. Please be aware of it. And then warning. This is actually real as my Talking Tom Friends EAS scenario. So yeah. Anyways, welcome to my another EAS scenario. Today I presented to you my another EAS scenario. Today I presented to you is Attack of Tom Friends and severe weather in the greater Houston metropolitan area. So this is the greater Houston downtown area, the metropolitan area. So enjoy my Attack of Tom Friends and severe weather in the greater Houston metropolitan area. So let's set the time of Houston in southeastern Texas. Like the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston, or League City. We have to see. Yep, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston. So, broadcasting in the city of Houston and Galveston in the greater Houston metropolitan area. So, let's get started. Now, it's a beautiful day in Houston, which is it's actually nice out there since the temperature is 60 degrees, which is very slightly colder since it's actually everyone is wearing a jacket, sweatshirt, and pants to go outside. And it's beautiful, nice out there in the downtown area. And also seeing some beautiful skylines out there in the greater Houston metropolitan area. But suddenly leaf has been fallen, but a castle building has reported in the greater Houston metroplex. Ouch, that hurts. And it looks like Tom Friends got haunted by the medical showers and sleeping, even toilets. Jump scare incoming. Turn down the volume as the next scene is very loud and horrifying. Turn down the volume all the way to low volume and look away from your screen. Oh my God! I see we got toilets, medicals, and showers. Oh my God, that is not good. Okay. 1 minute later. The following message is transmitted at request of the Houston Police Department. A mysterious and dangerous situation is currently taking place at Toyota Center Arena in the city of Houston. As of 1:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a mysterious and dangerous toilets, medicals, and shower has entered the Toyota Center Arena, seen roaming around the arena, attacking and killing anyone seen in its path. In addition, there's several disturbing reports that the friends that people got killed and infected by toilets, like chaos, medical like hiccups, and then showers like dirties all over the bodies. It had turned into one of these friends. Due to this, Toyota Center Arena has been currently evacuated and closed until further notice. And the Toyota Center Arena will be closing. As a precaution, all residents within a 1-mile radius of Toyota Center Arena are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked to prevent these friends from entering your home. If you see any friends suspicious, call 911. Tune the local station for news information that becomes available. So now the friends is now taking place at Toyota Center. Pretty interesting. But suddenly, 30 minutes later, the friends has leave the arena and roaming around downtown Houston. The following message is transmitted at request of the Houston Police Department. Residents of the city of Houston, lock all your doors immediately. The friends are causing massive chaos and destruction in the Toyota Arena have left the building and roaming around the city of Houston, Texas. These friends are attacking and killing anyone seizing a path, likely affecting it by just and that. In addition, the description of the police has been given. In addition, several disturbing reports that these friends last seen roaming around Texas Medical Center, uptown, and midtown. In addition, the description of the police of the Talking Tom Forest has been given to it. The following characteristics has been given to the police: pink and gold on top of his or head, and a green leaf shirt, dirty all over the body, medicals, things like hiccups, yellow pink hat, yellow pink jacket, even like toilets all over it, and then also hiccups and showers like all over the body as well. In addition, those who were attacked by impacting it about 10 minutes later, they transformed into toilets, showers, and medicals, roaming around the city of Houston, Texas. All residents of the city of Houston are advised to stay indoors with all windows and doors locked. If these friends of toilets, medicals, or showers enter your home, yours are protected by all means. This includes lethal force. Do not approach these friends and consider too dangerous. They will attack and kill anyone on sight. Taking important supplies to your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a battery power, or hand crank wheels with extra batteries to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Tune the local station for news information that becomes available. Great. Now the city of Houston is under attack. Yep. Tom Friends attack of Tom friends in the greater Houston. That's not good. Alright. Now, so yeah. Meanwhile, in ABC 13 Houston, KTRK TV. This is ABC 13 KTRK, serving the greater Houston metropolitan area. We have current breaking news coming out of the city of Houston. The description of the friends of toilets, medical showers, now identified as Angela, Ben, toilets, Hank, medicals, and Ginger and Becca, showers, last rolling around downtown, Texas Medical Center, uptown, and midtown. These friends are continuing attacking and killing anyone seen in suspect. In addition, those who were attacked, they died for 5 minutes and then reanimated into toilets, showers, and medicals about 10 minutes later. So residents of Houston, wherever you are, seek shelter immediately. We have a reporter in downtown Houston. How's the situation going there? I'm living here in downtown Houston. It's very okay in there since people had a law enforcement warning and they're considered seeking shelter. These friends are last roaming around the city of Houston, attacking and killing anyone in suspect, like you said. For a view of downtown Houston, where it's quiet in there, as people had a law enforcement warning in their phones, and they're seeking shelter in the interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is why happening in Clinton, also taking place at Toyota Center Arena. This is KTRK, ABC 13. Back over to you. Thank you. In other news, National Weather Service in Houston Galveston issuing a severe thunderstorm watch for entire southeastern Texas until 9 p.m. This is KTRK, ABC 13. We now return your regular programming. Two minutes later, the situation has worsened dramatically. Nice leaf out there. Look at it, the leaves. Nice. Leaf falling. Meanwhile, in downtown. Whoa! Everyone is playing with Oh my god! Sleeping friends and showers reported in the city of Houston. That is pretty not good. 1 minute later, the siren has goes off in the city. following message is transmitted at request of the Houston Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Civil danger for the city of Houston and Greater Houston and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at request of the Houston Police Department. At approximately 1:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there have been many reports of sleeping and showers reported all over the Greater Houston metropolitan area. These friends of sleeping like zombies and showers like all over the body, attacking and killing anyone in its path, likely taking it, eating them alive. Those that have been attacked, they died, and 10 minutes later, they reanimated into sleeping, like zombies. In addition, showers has been reported in downtown Houston, and while the other one reported in the Texas Medical Center. All residents of the city of Houston are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn all lights and electricity because these friends of sleeping is attracted to noise and light. In addition, these friends attacking and kill anyone by shining flashlight or making kind of noises. Taking in important supplies such as perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery pump or hand-cranked radio with your extra batteries to last you in the event for the emergency. Turn the normal radio backlight off in the lowest point and keep your phone in the lowest volume at this point. Do not approach these friends as considered too dangerous. They will attack and kill anyone on sight. Turn your local station windows information that becomes available. Now, sleeping and showers reported in Houston. Whoa, that is not good. Okay, back to KTRK. This is ABC 13 KTRK with serving the Greater Houston metropolitan area. We have currently updating news coming out of the city of Houston. The situation that the friends causing massive chaos and damage all over the city of Houston has now worsened dramatically. These friends reported sleeping in Texas Medical Center, while showers had reported in the downtown metropolitan area. These friends are currently attacking and killing anyone seen its back, like torn out of it, eating them alive. And then there are also disturbing reports that now those attacked have now reanimated into zombies like sleeping. And sheriffs are now reported in downtown one. In addition, sleepings of these friends now called Angela, Becca, Ginger, and Ben sleeping has also left roaming around Texas Medical Center. In addition, these friends of sleeping has confirmed to be attracted to noise and light. These people attack killing anyone by my friends by shining a bright flashlight or making any kind of noise out there. We go back to downtown Houston. How's the situation going? I'm still here living in downtown Houston, whereas we're going really south further. These friends are attacking and killing anyone who sees in its path. In addition, several disturbing reports that the unknown, these friends left roaming around the city of Houston, Texas, also reported. These friends are reported all over the city of Houston. There are also disturbing reports that the friends are currently attracted to noise and light, like you said. There are also nightmares about showers has been reported in downtown Houston, terrorizing the city of Houston. So these friends of sleeping and showers has terrorizing the city of Houston. Residents of the city of Houston, wherever you are, seek shelter immediately. Oh my god. I see these sleeping friends strengthening towards me. I need to get out of here right now. Oh my god. A news correspondent has attacked by sleeping friends? Oh my god. That is not good. Just a few minutes later, another sleeping friend has been reported now the sleeping friends reported in the entire state of Texas. Something like zombies right there, right? Let's wait for them. Where did Tom and... Oh yeah, so put it right there. Let's just yeah. Alright, an hour later. Yep, I'm wrong. Tom and Hank is still walking. So yeah, an hour later. See leaves right there. Tree has color changing, pretty cool. Yellow, orange, and yep. It looks like Hank and Tom got food today. Pretty nice. So Hank and Tom is down today. Alright. So an hour later, you like Tom and Hank got food today. Perfect. The National Water Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Brazoria County in southeastern Texas until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Denton or near Old Ocean and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous, those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location: Patch Code, Angleton, Richwood, Lake Jackson, Freeport, Fontana, Brazoria, Wild Peach Village, Stony, Gammon, Old Ocean, West Columbia, Bailey's Prairie, Holiday Lake, Odie, Sandy Point, Pearland, Alvin, Hillcrest, Liverpool, Danbury, Ross Run, and Bonnie. Take cover now. Move to the basement or interior room under the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home and you go outdoors, move to the closest essential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So now the tornado warning is issued for the city for Angleton. So yeah. Meanwhile, alright. Now let's go to Crockett in Houston County. The National Water Service in Houston, Galveston has issued severe thunderstorm warning for Houston County in eastern Texas until 2:45 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northeast of Austinio, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts at nickel-sized hill. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roads, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oceano and Creek around Port Springs around 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crockett, Cut, Lovelady, Moxito, and Great Wind around 2:05 p.m. River Springs around 2:10 p.m. Upwell, area, Balot, and Augusta around 2:15 p.m. Winches, Kennard, Radcliffe around 2:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pennington, and Salmon, and Roden. This includes Davy Crockett National Forest. For your protection, move the NG room on the lowest floor of the building. Great. Now the city of Crockett is under a severe thunderstorm warning for Houston County. Wait, I think they're issuing a tornado emergency for the greater Houston metropolitan area in the next 3 hours. So, right. Meanwhile, in Colorado County, in the city of Columbus, Texas, Meanwhile, in Colorado County, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Colorado County in southeastern Texas until 2:45 p.m. At 1:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Weimar, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 mile per hour wind gust and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Columbus, Rock Island, Sheridan, Garland, Nada, Eagle Lake, Lakeside, and Frostburg, Weimar, Borden. And Gideon, Allenton, and Bernardo. For your protection, move the NG room on the lowest floor of the building. So now the severe thunderstorm warning is issued for the city of Columbus in Colorado County, Texas. Pretty interesting. Now, let's go down towards Matagorda County in the city of Palacios. Meanwhile, Palacios in Matagorda County, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Matagorda County in southeastern Texas until 2:45 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Palacios, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gust and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location has include Bay City, Palacios, Wadsworth, Matagorda, Ashwood, Sugar Valley, Pleasure, Van Vleck, Markham, Lessings, Midfield, Glenville, Ashburn, Lambton, Kenny, Center Lane, Hawkinsville, and siren. For your protection, move the NG room on the lowest floor of the building. So now the city of Baysay and Pamlicus is now involved with severe thunderstorm warnings. Alright, now let's go to Polk County, including the town of Texas. Meanwhile, in Polk County, Texas, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Polk County in southeastern Texas until 2:45 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 4 miles east of Alaska, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Alaska and Blanchard around 2:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Goodrich, Lake, Seven Oaks, Moscow, and Corrigan around 2:05 p.m. Livingston around 2:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pluck, Camden, Barnes, Barnum, Indian Springs, Dallasville, and Saginaw. Check cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So the city of Livingston, the town of Texas, is now a tornado. So now let's go to San Jacinto County in Texas. Whoa. Alright. Meanwhile, in Liberty County, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston issued a tornado warning for Liberty County in southeastern Texas until 2:30 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a tornado was located over Cleveland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location impacts include Liberty, Cleveland, Dayton, Ames, Harlan, Dayton, Samuelton, Eastgate, Long Grove, Connect, Macedonia, Hyle Tower, Reborn, Ramlar, Big Chicken, Lake Estates, Moss Hill, Hull, Town, Dammers, Raywood, and Moss Bluff. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take over now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home, your vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Great. The city of Liberty and Cleveland is involved with confirmed tornado. Alright, so now let's go all the way up to Trinity County. We own Trinity County. The National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston issued a 20 severe thunderstorm warning for Trinity County in eastern Texas until 3 p.m. and 2 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over northeast of Trinity, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 mile per hour wind gust. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Groton, Trinity, Pennington, Friday, Glendale, Woodlake, Hammock, Apple Springs, Trebet. For protection, moved into the lowest floor of the building. Now the thunderstorm is heading towards Groveton, Trinity, and Pennington. So Pennington is at Trinity and Trinity in Houston County. Yeah. Meanwhile, let's go to Madison County. The National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in eastern Texas until 3 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Zelig, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Madisonville, North Zelig, Norman Marjorie, Connor, Midway, and Elwood, and Antioch. For protection, moved into a room under the lowest floor of the building. So now the severe thunderstorm now heading towards Madisonville. Great. Well, let's go all the way down to Wharton County. Alright. Now we can take a trip going all the way down towards Wharton County, including the city of Wharton. Meanwhile, in Wharton County, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Wharton County in southeastern Texas until 2:45 p.m. and 2:04 p.m. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over 3 miles northeast of Lois, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard damaging tornado and tennis ball size 2. Source weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact near in a life-threatening situation. Lying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes could be destroyed. Consider damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near El Campo, Hayes, and Jones Creek around 2:15 p.m. Glen Flora around 2:15 p.m. Wharton around 2:20 p.m. Water location impact by these tornadic thunderstorms include EAS bonus, the bank, and boing Lego, and hunger for it, Lang C, Bor, Nesmer, Harris, and Hedge. Repeat, a large and extreme dangers and potentially deadly tornadoes underground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extreme dangerous tornadoes underground. And take a tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Alright, now let's go to Burles. Go to Caldwell. So now, the large and extreme dangerous tornado bearing down towards El Campo and Wharton. That's not good. But let's go all the way up into Burleson County, including the city of Caldwell. Meanwhile, in Caldwell in Burleson County, the National Weather Service in Houston gave us an issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Burleson County in East Central Texas, until 3 p.m. 2:06 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over 3 miles east of Christman, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and dime-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impact include Caldwell, Christman, Danville, Grandstadt, Cook Point, Lyons, Somerville, Snook, Wilcox. For your protection, move the interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Great. Now the severe thunderstorm is heading towards Caldwell. It needs to stop. But, anyways, let's go all the way on the right towards the city of Beaumont. Meanwhile, in the city of Beaumont, tornado emergency for the city of Beaumont and the surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in Shreveport issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County in southeastern Texas until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Hampshire, near Enid, Venice, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Beaumont. This is a dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: trained weather spawners. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Consider damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely. Incomplete destruction is possible. Location impact include Beaumont, Port Arthur, Maryland, Groves, Port Neche, Cheap, Bennett, Hampshire, China, Nome, Westbury, Ontario Landing. This includes McFadden National Wildlife Refuge and Candy Cane, Ashborough Wildlife Management Area, WMA. Tree Beach, a large, extreme dangers and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. Take over now. To protect your life, take over now. Move the interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to some shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Alert to extreme danger sweaters on the ground. And take it to 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeat. A tornado warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Texas. Jefferson. What? Large and extreme danger tornado bearing down towards the city of Beaumont? That is not good. Alright. Now, straight towards Chambers County. Alright. Let's go to Chambers. Alright. Let's go to Chambers County, including the city of Anahac. The National Weather Service in Houston Galveston issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chambers County in southeastern Texas until 3 p.m. At 2:14 p.m. to 12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Montebello, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: expect damaged roofs, sledding, and trees. Location: Hudson Code, Anahac, Montebello, Old River Entry, Beach City, Cove, Wallersville, Hennicar, Round City, Double Bayou, Winnie, Stowell. For protection, move in see route on the lowest floor of the building. Alright, to be continued.